Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Samsung SmartThings for home monitoring. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your SmartThings app is installed on your mobile device. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. If you already have an account, tap on Sign In. If you're a new user, select Create Account. Provide your email address in the designated field. Choose a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Tap on Next to proceed with the registration. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox for the verification email from SmartThings. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your address. Return to the SmartThings app after verifying your email. Log in with the email and password you just set up. Once logged in, you will be greeted with the main dashboard. Tap on the plus Add Device button to start adding your devices. Choose the type of device you want to add from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions for your specific device. Ensure your device is in the pairing mode as prompted. Once connected, you can customize device settings to your preference. Explore other features within the app, such as scenes and automations. Your account is now set up for home monitoring with Samsung SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.